Times now has exclusive details of a possible third mole in the Home Ministry. Let's get across to Navika Kumar, our political editor, who's got all the details. Navika, please tell us who this person is.
Well, from what we just understand, there was a joint secretary border management in the Ministry of Home Affairs named Sadakant, batch 1983, and the cadre is UP cadre. On 19th of May, that is last Thursday, late night, there was this order that was letter received from the Department of Personnel and Training, and within a few hours of that, by the afternoon of May 20th, Mr. Sadakant has been summarily shifted out of the Home Ministry. In fact, this order that I have in my hand clearly states that his services are placed at the disposal of the state government of Uttar Pradesh on his premature repatriation. He was appointed as Joint Secretary in Border Management area in the Ministry of Home Affairs. His room, number 172B, just a corridor away from the Home Secretary and the Home Minister's room, completely empty now. All the files, every scrap of paper now removed from there, and from what we do understand, he is placed under observation and is being investigated for alleged links with some private companies from whom he may have taken some quid pro quos. That is what is being stated in harsh tones in the corridors of power in the Ministry of Home Affairs. Sadakant, 1983 batch UP cadre officer, and he's been summarily shifted out of the Ministry of Home Affairs within almost a year of his service, much before his tenure had ended.
Now, Navika, what was his role as Joint Secretary Border Management? What is it that he could influence, and what is the information that he was privy to?
Well, clearly, border management extremely sensitive. He would be somebody who would liaise with different organizations like the Border Road Organizations, the BSF, the DGMO, different parts of the army who were deployed there. Also, a lot to do with contracts that are awarded for road construction in and around the border areas, but an extremely sensitive position. In fact, we saw this Joint Secretary being part of the Indo-Pakistan talks also, border talks also. So clearly a very, very sensitive post of border management that was under his charge. From what we do understand, the Home Ministry wanted the officer repatriated to the UP cadre, which is his parent cadre, before any action could be taken of him in the Home Ministry itself. We've seen 3 such cases in the Home Ministry now. O Ravi, a Joint Secretary who was arrested in April last year, he was caught taking a 25 lakh rupee bribe from a liquor baron. Then we saw Ravi Inder Singh, again a director, a 1994 batch IAS officer, and now this is the 3rd case. Questions are being raised about his role. Was he a mole, or was it just corruption, or cases related to giving favors to a few companies involved in road management and road construction? These are the questions that are being investigated, and this agency which could be investigating this is the CBI, and it is only after a tip-off from the CBI that this decision was taken last Friday. In fact, from what our sources in the Home Ministry tell us, that this was the fastest removal of such a senior officer. He would be about 53 years of age, born in January of 1958, 53-year-old. In a couple of years would have been additional secretary to the government of India, summarily removed from his position within hours of getting this notification and warning from the CBI.